tunnel exhaust.
Fire, son. Set all kinds of fire.
Queen Mary right here. Look at this, boys. We're in with the Queen Mary. And there she is, boys. There she blows. Let's go see some ghost ropes. Queef Mary Cruise Terminal. There she is, boys. Look at that. Fucking the Queef Mary.
You want me to give you some? I know all about the Queef Mary. I'm actually a historical fucking professional about the Queef Mary.
You are?
Yep.
Oh, what's some historical ropes that you've been shot your way?
So, back in 100 BC, fucking there was a queen, the Queen Mary, right? And she was known for her loud and obnoxious queefs, but she gave up the pussy so well that the king said, you know what, girl, I love you. Let me go ahead and buy you a boat. Made the Queef Mary. There's a chamber in there for all of her queefing pleasures. So once the king gets done putting it in, he's like, jamming all that air in there. He's like, all right, girl, go ahead and enjoy your boat. You got this. And then she's got a whole chamber with a for its time, a high-tech ventilation system that lets the queefs out under the water, which propelled the boat.
Ooh, extra propulsion?
Yes, sir. Hello there.
Alright, Arson, looks like we finally fucking made our stop here on the Queef Mary.
Yeah.
I think we should go check out what's up in this gift shop real quick.
Up in the Queef shop?
The Queef shop. The Queef shop?
Call it a Queef, call it a Queef.
Like, I feel like you're fucking... Hi,
Hey, what's up, buddy?
bunch of Russian shit.
Alright, guys, we got the Queef Mary up close in all her glory. I don't know how much of this you can see on here, but it's a wide angle dickhead, so I'm assuming a lot. As you can see, we've got a lot of exploring to do, and we're going to do an actual haunted tour. We got a ticket for that. So, Arson, what's your synopsis on today's events from an outside perspective?
My synopsis upon the synopsi of the Queef Mary is that we're going to catch all kinds of ghost ropes. We're going to feel that chill down our mushroom tips and into the goodies.
That sounds like some solid synopsis. Let's go ahead and see what's down here real quick. We got some pigeons eating some pigeon shit. Yeah, we got some pigeon over here enjoying a nice clam dinner. He's like, get the fuck away, rope, shoot a rope.
We got Arson on the mic now. MC Arson. Oh yeah.
So guys, we're actually
Brian Williams.
We're dry standpipe connection.
Damn. Got that. You got that dry sandpipe.
Wait, did you take the 5 doll hairs out? No. Oh. Oh man, we're gonna take this thing to weight capacity. Ba ba boom. Yeah. Yeah.
It's a killer shirt you got on. Like a chew.
Yeah.
I hope our faces look like this when we're looking around.
Just so much wonderment. It'd be great. I think modern technology would give you AC in an elevator. Thank you, sir.
As you can see, guys, we're out here off the elevator, fucking reporting live from, it looks like, second story of the Queef Mary.
Yeah.
Arson, you want to report in?
This is MC Arson here, reporting live from the Queef Mary, and just want to say that this thing is a fucking rusty piece of shit, and I hope it sinks. Yeah. Yeah. Did it.
We got the haunted TV show to do.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a TV show, but it's, we're going to do a haunted tour. I'm so excited about it.
Well, technically, if you do YouTube and you watch it on TV, then you're fucking famous from TV.
Yeah.
If everyone just watches on the TV, then this will be all right. Damn. No, this is like the boat, man.
I don't know what it costs a night here.
Freaking doll hairs. This is swanky, yo. Open the airlock. Let's get some air in here.
Dang, can you imagine like sailing and just having some fire ass views like this?
Yeah.
And you you guys can see that LBC.
Look at that guy trying to get freaky down there in the boat. He's like, yeah, take you to the Queef Mary on the water. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah.
Engine room, you have to go to the very last ramp on the ship, on the wharf level.
Uh-huh.
That's the only way in or out of there.
Let's go see Exhibit A. We're about to get X to the Z exhibit up in this bitch. Let's do it to it. What's going on down there? What is that? There's a bloody guy down there.
Oh, it's like some fucking Halloween shit.
What's your synopsis on that?
My synopsis on that is that I have a phone call.
Oh shit.
Dang, that chick straight fucking...
Dude, what if she gets her asshole scared by the zombie down there?
Yeah, let's see it.
Look at him, he's just fucking hiding, straight chilling.
Let's make a scream sound. She's looking at us.
Did it scare you? Yeah? It gotcha. It gotcha.
What kind of inconsiderate pieces of shit leave some starcocks on an old fucking ship?
White girls are just going crazy nowadays, just leaving their shit over here, you know what I'm saying?
Stop White Girls 2015.
There you go.
Alright guys, this is fucking reporter BXD over here. We're live on the Queef Mary. We got cameraman Arson rides. So it looks like we're heading at the tip of the Queef Mary. And looks like there's a bunch of fucking rust ropes all over the place. Guess that's the quirk of having a hotel room on a boat.
Hell yeah.
So guys, it looks like we fucked up and we're late to the Honda tour. Actually, we'd be just on time if we were there right now at this very second.
I'll give you some Chelsea chowder.
And right here will be a room full of white girls.
Damn, where the white girls at?
Oh my god.
What?
Do not just say that shit.
When the ship was opened up to the public in 1971, that was when people really started reporting all these strange things going on board. Weird sightings and experiences and noises. Rumors started spreading that maybe the Queen Mary was actually haunted. Made a certain amount of sense with just everything that she'd been through in her sailing days, with the war and all that. So a lot of paranormal investigators and psychics began coming onto the ship and studying her, trying to find answers to these questions. They've agreed about some things, they've disagreed about other things. These are the kind of things we're going to be talking about as we're walking around. But ultimately, the reputation of the Queen Mary is that she's one of the most haunted areas in all of North America and one of the most haunted ships of all time. Class nursery. Now back then, each class had an area, you could drop off your kids for a little while if you're going to a social event or a party or something like that on board the ship. This is just used for storage now for one of the shops upstairs. It hasn't actually had children in it since the ship was decommissioned in '67. So it makes it a little bizarre, but still to this day, every now and then people will report hearing children's voices coming from this room. Laughter, playing, stuff like that. You may have seen the first class children's playroom up on Promenade Deck. That one's on display. You can see the toys and everything inside. Now, we get those same reports of noises coming from that room as well, but what really adds to it is that because you can see inside, people have seen some of the little toys in there, the little dolls, as if they weren't creepy enough to begin with, right? People have actually seen those moving a little bit on their own, as if something's trying to pick them up and play with them, but maybe you can't quite get a full grip. Now this leads a lot of people to asking, were there actually children who died on board the ship?
Yeah.
Go ahead and follow me this way. Follow me this way.
I think someone's drinking an IPA down here. They think some of like the fattest ropes I've ever seen.
More when you get up here.
Let's go all the way to the tip. Oh, dang.
It is literally the tip. I don't know if I'll actually going.
Go in there.
I don't know if we can. It's like...
Oh, there's the little ropes.
I don't want to ding my head in here.
Damn,
trick herself out.
This is an area that was normally mainly used for rope storage. You see all these ropes around us down here. These are all actually original. These have been down here a very, very long time. They would store them in each of the levels of this little cargo shaft. Stick them down the various levels of this cargo shaft. Ideally as far down as possible.
With the thick ropes?
Yeah, the thick ropes, those are the ones that are original, yeah. Now, this area, you know, it's warm right now, right? Try to imagine when below the very, very bottom down there, that was where one of the boiler rooms was. Boiler rooms, you know, that's where the tanks were that heated up the water to create steam. Oh yeah.
Looks like we got some scary ropes ahead of us. Oh my god, we're gonna see some fucking ghosts. Oh my gosh. Fuck that. We just broke off from the group. We're here by ourselves.
We're just about to go up that little staircase right there. I don't know if you guys noticed that there is actually a door at the very top of the staircase. As we were about to come up this way, that door slammed shut. Now that in and of itself made us a little uncomfortable, but here's what made that, here's why I tell this story once we're already up here.
About that
That door only opens from one side. So we were basically trapped down there. So the door itself is just completely blank on that side. And that was something I didn't even know up until that very moment. So like I run up to the door and there's nothing, there's no way to open it. Now luckily I always carry one of these with me anywhere I go on the ship so that I can always be sure to have a way to contact the rest of the ship. And so I was able to call security and they sent somebody down to let us out. And we waited about 10 minutes for the person to actually come down. In the meantime, I was standing about halfway up the staircase. I was like talking to my group, making sure that they weren't panicking or anything like that, which to be fair, they weren't. But I think that's mostly because they thought this was all part of the show. You know, they thought this was something I'd set up to happen. But I can kind of turn back and I could see into this area a little bit. There's just enough space under the door. And at one point I look back and I actually see a shadow move through the room really, really quickly. It just moves right along there, kind of in front of the doorway. So I start knocking on the door, trying to get somebody's attention, thinking there's maybe somebody out here, but nobody responded. I even called out to them. Exactly, I did just like that. I called out to them, I let them know that we had people down here, still nobody responded. So I don't know what the shadow was, I don't know what caused that door to close by itself. That was the only time that ever happened to me, but I still always carry a radio with me anytime I come down here, and I always find it's better to tell the story once we've already kind of...
Dang, look, there's a pentagram on there.
They should like fog up the window.
Damn, this is freaky. I ain't trying to fucking get left behind in this motherfucker. Shit's too scary.
We talk about being kept up by weird noises and things moving through the room. They would hear people walking around their bed. The lights in the faucets in the bathroom would come on by themselves. People would talk about the sheets getting pulled off of them. Our cleaning staff had problems with the room all the time when they would be in here cleaning up in the middle of the day. So it didn't even seem to matter what time you were in here. It was just the most active room on board.
What is this? I would love to live in here. No.
You just said don't go by the curtain. So. Oh man, this is already freaking crazy.
They got some creepy music going on there.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have you come in now. Just go ahead and head either left or right. Just please stay on the upper level.
Ooh, Lord. Fuck this shit.
So this was originally first class pool area. Over the years, it has sort of developed a reputation as being one of the most active manager, James, and he spent a lot of time inside the pool area, just trying to make some sort of contact with this child, trying to figure out exactly who she was. He eventually said that her name was Jackie, and that she actually drowned in the second-class pool in 1946 during those war bride voyages that I kind of talked about earlier.
Thank you. Wow, that was pretty fucking creepy in there. We want to walk through these freaky ass looking halls. Shit, a ghost lady vacuuming. A ghost. Ghost.
Thank you guys very much for coming aboard with us
Walk
tonight.
that
Enjoy the rest of your day aboard Queen Mary. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Little Arson twat. Now this is what I call some view ropes. I think we're gonna be able to Titanic our asses up on the top. Titanic ropes, Titanic ropes.
Hold on to the rope. Heave in the rope. Slack away the rope.
Let go of the rope.
Hold on to the rope.
Slack away the rope. Hold on the rope. Let go of the rope.
Aw, man, we can't Jack and Jill this shit. Or Jack and Rose or whatever the fuck.
Ooh, look at these view ropes.
Wait, am I recording?
Well guys, that's gonna fucking go ahead and conclude our little haunted tour in the Queen's Mary, aka Queef Mary. If you enjoyed that little video with me and Arson Rides, don't forget to hit the fuck out of that like button, and you guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later.